Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. Today we are playing, or I am playing with the July kits, I believe. These are the last page I will create with the July kits because August just arrived at my door and I can't wait to dive into it. But I totally wanted to create another page with the gorgeous kit, and I did some fussy cutting on the pattern paper, and I grabbed some of the plain flowers from the Build Your Own Flower pack, and I knew I wanted to create some kind of a, not a hippie page, but a flower power heavy page. I don't know. The picture I'm scrapping shows my my hubby when he was in his early 20s, I would say, and he was out with his friends and they were camping and on festivals, music shows, and he had the best of time. And it felt like a hippie summer, and so I picked that picture because I knew I totally can place that picture into the gorgeous flowers I'm using here, and just because the picture has a lot of neutral colors in it, so there are no bright colors, I could totally go with all these orange and yellow and pinks, and I totally love how this is coming together. The kids, there's a vibe, a feeling of I don't know, early summers with a lot of wood pieces, and so the feeling, I don't know, maybe it's just in my head, but it felt good, so I'm just going for it. So now you can see I have distressed all of the edges from my little flowers. I have grabbed my title, which is Best Summer, and I mix 2 puffy words for that. I also grabbed one of the paper ephemera pieces, the rainbow, and a pink moth. And now I'm just looking into the stickers, some tiny word stickers, the wood buttons or the wood veneer stuff. I will also use some of them. And here I took the time, I glued all my flowers to the pictures. I added lots of foam tape and dimension dots and things like that, just for some dimension and shadow. And these are the gorgeous watercolor clear stickers. And I knew I needed to use them because to be honest, I was very sick. The last week I had a bad infection, and so I was on painkillers and other stuff. So I was very tired and my head was hurting, and so I was totally happy that I could use these gorgeous mixed media watercolor stickers just to bring in some color without worrying about which color and where, and just to stick them down and look, they are just perfect and they are so pretty, and I just love to use these clear stickers and they are all in the perfect color for the scheme I'm going, and so everything is perfect, yes. So, yeah, everything is glued down now, or the stickers are down. And now I would just play around with the other bits and pieces to find the perfect spots. I will grab some foam tape, and I will also grab some of the circles from the wood veneer stickers. I will place them in the middle from the bigger flowers, so they needed something in the middle. And I thought I could go with these wood veneer stickers just because they are awesome and I haven't used them. So, yeah, my title is down, Best Summer, and I love the vintage feel of that color combination. I don't know, it was just working for me. So, yeah, just gluing down the words, and then I will grab some of the tiny word stickers. I will place them under the word summer, so it's just a row of little sayings, and I just yeah, I really love how this page turned out. Now going down my big flower cluster, and I will also bring in some more foam tape just to secure the edges and to I will also curl them up, so there's a lot of dimension going on and instant shadow, and I totally love that. And here I'm just playing around with the last flowers, and I will go with that placement, I believe. And yeah, I love that. And I miss those summers, you know, when you're going out with your friends and having the best of time, and you don't need to worry about your kids or school or money or homework or something like that, you know. So yeah. Now, these are the wood stickers I talked about earlier, and you can see I'm just placing them in the middle from the bigger flowers, and I totally love how they are looking. They are just peeking out from behind, and you can spy them a little bit, and I love that. I really love that. And now I believe I will bring in some animal dots. Oh no, the word stickers, I totally forgot about them. So I will bring in 2 or 3 from the word stickers. And then I will grab the animal dots, and then I am done. Yes. And the new term just started, and I'm still on board, and this is term number 10 for me, I believe. I started back in, oh my gosh, in 2016, I believe. So, and I love this place, so I'm very happy that I am still allowed to be here and to create for you, and I just love this place. So, yeah, but check out the member forum to see or to have a look at the new girls, to see the new design team image with all of the creative ladies on it, and yeah. So that's it for today. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I hope you're all doing good. And yeah, that's it for now. Talk to you soon, and bye.